National Science Day. On 18th April, Albert Einstein died in Princeton. On hearing this news, gentlemen in India promptly sent for a barber to have his head shaved. A Hindu ritual performed by a man on his father's death. This great man was Dr. C.V. Raman. Such was his dedication towards his work that when in 1954 he was given the Bharat Ratna, Raman did not go to Delhi to receive the award. He wrote to President Rajendra Prasad on the 20th that he would not be present because I am firmly tied down here to enable one of my students to complete his doctorate thesis, which the regulations require him to submit to his university before the end of January. Thus, my duty as a teacher has to take precedence over personal affairs. Recognizing the significance of his discoveries in the field of physics, the National Council for Science and Technology Communication (NCSTC) proposed to celebrate 28th February as National Science Day. The Government of India approved the request, and therefore since 1986, the country has been celebrating this day as National Science Day. Every year since 1987, National Science Day is celebrated on February 28th. On this day in 1928, Sir C.V. Raman discovered the famous Raman effect about scattering of light. It is immensely surprising that Raman used equipment worth merely rupees 200 to 300 to make this discovery. The Raman effect is now examined with the help of equipment worth almost millions of rupees. He was awarded Nobel Prize in Physics for his discovery in 1930, the first time for an Indian. Chandrasekhar Venkata Raman was born on November 7, 1888, in the city of Tiruchirappalli, Madras Presidency, British India. Today the city is known as Tiruchirappalli and sits in the Indian state of Tamil Nadu. His father was a lecturer in mathematics and physics, so that from the first he was immersed in an academic atmosphere. He entered Presidency College, Madras in 1902 and in 1904 passed his BA examination, winning the first place and the gold medal in physics. In 1907, he gained his MA degree, obtaining the highest distinctions. Raman, who scattered the light. A voyage to Europe in the summer of 1921 gave me the first opportunity of observing the wonderful blue opalescence of the Mediterranean Sea. On a sea voyage to Europe in 1921, Raman curiously noticed the blue color of the glaciers and the Mediterranean. He was passionate to discover the reason for the blue color. Once Raman returned to India, he performed many experiments regarding the scattering of light from water and transparent blocks of ice. Per the results, he established the scientific explanation for the blue color of sea water and sky. Raman's Nobel Prize winning work was initially inspired by observations he made on a sea voyage. Coincidentally, it was on a sea voyage that another Indian Nobel Prize winner, Subramanian Chandrasekhar, carried out most of his Nobel Prize winning work. And even more coincidentally, C.V. Raman was Chandrasekhar's uncle.
start to show an experiment showing the Newton's third law of motion. For this experiment, we require a straw, a balloon, some thread and a tape. Inflate a balloon fully and tie its end using a thread and tape a straw on its surface. Now insert the thread into the balloon and tie the thread somewhere. Now untie the knot tied to the balloon. Let's see what happens. Observation: the balloon moves forward and the air moves out in the opposite direction. Here, the elastic energy of the balloon pushes the balloon forward and the air in the opposite direction. As a result, the balloon moves forward.
Hydrogen electronic configuration 1. Chlorine electronic configuration 287. Hello, I am hydrogen. Nice to meet you. My valence shell is not filled, so I can't stay stable. My neighbor helium is stable and I am jealous on him. Can you give me one electron? Oh, hello, I am chlorine. Actually, I am also going to say the same thing, that I need one more electron to get stable. Here, we can't gain or lose electron. Then we can share electrons. I will share one electron for me and for you. You also should share one for me and for you. Yes. Here the electron you and me has shared belongs to both of us. Thus we will get stable. 0 valence electron plus 2 shared electron. I have 2 electrons and I am stable. 6 valence electron and 2 shared electron. Now I am also stable. We are called hydrogen chloride. Sulfur electronic configuration 286. Magnesium electronic configuration 282. These are my 2 irritating electrons. I can't stay stable because of them. Hello, my name is Sulfur. If you don't mind, can I take these cute electrons? Because I can't stay stable without these 2 electrons. Really? Oh, thank you, Sulfur. Now I become Mg+. That is, I will be known as magnesium cations. You are welcome, but now me too thanking you, because you made me stable in the universe, and now I am known as S-, that is sulfide ion. This bond will be chemically called as magnesium sulfide.
Cut base from each potato. Pour equal amount of water in the 2 petri dishes. Make a small hollow on each potato using a knife. Dip the base of each potato half into 2 petri dishes. Put a half teaspoon of salt in the hollow of each potato half in the petri dish. Boiled potato acquires no water and unboiled potato filled with water. This is because of osmosis. Osmosis is the process of movement of water molecules from an area of higher concentration of water molecules to an area of lower concentration across a selectively permeable membrane.
Hello, I am Jasmine James of class 9A. Today I am going to show one experiment to show that air is released through stomata. Materials required: a bowl, a glass of hot water and a leaf. Take a potted plant and pluck a leaf from that. Now add some water to the bowl. Then place a leaf on the bowl. Now you can observe some bubbles coming out from the leaves. Observation. Plant leaves containing oxygen gas release it in the form of bubbles through stomata when placed in hot water. This confirms the presence of stomata in leaves. Conclusion. Plant release air through the stomata in a leaf.
Hello, I'm Nia Abraham of class 10B. Today, I'm going to present before you my chemistry activity on a talk show with a chemical compound. So let's move on to the video. Hello, today we have with us the most eminent, amazing, active chemical without which life is impossible, and it is none other than our H2O, the universal solvent. A warm welcome to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Nia.
So now let us watch a video about the occurrence of our esteemed guest, water. There are 1.5 billion cubic kilometers of water on Earth. It covers 70% of our planet's surface, and your body is around 2/3 of water. It's everywhere.
Oh, that was really amazing. I really loved it, Nia.
Ma'am, we all would like to know about your origin. Can you please explain?
Of course, why not, Nia? I'm made up of two elements, hydrogen and oxygen. When these two combine, I'm formed.
Is it by simply mixing the two elements?
No, electrical energy is required for this combination to happen.
Can it be mixed in any proportion?
No, my dear. It's according to the law of definite proportion. That is, hydrogen and oxygen combines in the ratio 1:8 by mass.
Oxygen is a supporter of combustion, but why the same oxygen present in water cannot support combustion?
Oh, that was really amazing question. See, when a compound is formed, it does not show the properties of the constituent elements. It becomes entirely a new substance. About my case, I can actually exist in three forms: solid, liquid, and gas.
Yes, I do remember. The ice with which I used to play in my childhood, steam the gaseous form, and water the liquid form. Ma'am, I have heard about different type of bonding in chemical compounds. Which type of bonding exists in you?
Well, before I explain this, I would like to give you a message. That is, sharing is one of the most important quality that one should possess. I am formed by mutual sharing of electrons between the two hydrogens and oxygen atom, resulting in a V-shaped structure.
Anyway, we had a great time. It was really interesting to hear about you and to see you. In spite of the busy schedule, you accepted my invitation. We'll be always grateful for sustaining our lives.
Thank you, Nia. I too had a great time with you all. But I'm really sad about the way certain people treat me. Even though you all know that life is impossible without me. You pollute me, you destroy me. So I would like to place a request before you all. Please conserve me and save me.
So let us all conserve and save water.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much.
pollution occurs when harmful substances, often chemicals or microorganisms, contaminate a stream, river, lake, ocean, or other bodies of water. Regarding water qualities, various causes of water pollution are industrial waste, sewage and wastewater, mining activities, marine dumping, chemical fertilizers, and pesticides. This is the industrial waste. Industrial waste contain air, water, and land pollution, leading to the illness and the loss of life of all over the world. Hospital waste. Hospital waste includes the packing and unused bandage, infection kits, etc. This is the factory waste, which contain mining and manufacturing products and waste. These wastes are the wastes which are dumped by people, and this leads to the spills and leaks. This completes into the water pollution.
I am gold. No, I'm not self praising. I am really gold. Okay, so let's be serious. So, like everybody, I also have a nickname. But wait, I'm an element. So, it is called a symbol. My nickname, also known as symbol, is AU. To be precise, capital A and a small u. I know it doesn't really go with my name Gold, but it really goes with my Latin name, that is Aurum. And like students have roll number in class, I also do have a roll number in periodic table. And that is called atomic number. And my number is 79. Not a special number, but still, no problem. I'm happy with that. Since you guys want to study about me, you guys should know more about me. Like my atomic mass, which is 196.97 U, melting point, which is 1064 degrees Celsius. Yeah, I'm very difficult to get melted. Not the point. My boiling point, which is 3080 degrees Celsius, and I too don't boil fast. Okay, so happy. So moving on, I know everyone will be knowing about me, especially Indians, since you guys are obsessed with me and use a lot as neck pieces, rings, earrings, and what not. Also, there are many songs on me. And don't worry, I'm not gonna sing as I don't want to torture you guys. And wait, do you know why you guys prefer me to be worn as an ornament? Yeah, I know the reason. I will say. Because I am very least reactive. So that I won't corrode fast. So you can store me for a long time. Intelligent, na? I know I am. So it is my turn to get beaten up into another ornament. So before starting a new life, goodbye guys. Stay safe and stay home as I know what's happening in your world. So be safe, okay? Bye.